এখানে ট্রান্সপোজ অফ আ ম্যাট্রিক্সের কি বললাম যে কি লেখা আছে রো আর কলাম উইল গেট শিফটেড, মানে রো আর কলামটা শিফট হয় মানে কি এই যে পার্টিকুলার রো গুলো আছে সেই পার্টিকুলার রোজ উইল গেট শিফটেড টু কলামস. That means if you see that a to the power t means such a transpose. If you see over here, like a t means the transpose of the matrix A. So matrix A is given by ADXY, transpose t means the transpose of the matrix. That means row will get shifted to column, means the first row will get shifted to first column, second row will shifted to second column. In that manner, if you see the example A equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 then 5 9 7, so A transpose will be the transpose of the matrix. That means all the row will be shifted to columns. So you can think that row are shifting to columns or column also can be shifted to rows. So if you see the column 1 minus 1 5, that column I have written as a row. That means the C1 first column means first row, second column means second row, third column means third row, or vice versa, means row can be taken as a column also. In that manner means row or column will be shifted simply. So next is that what is meant by symmetric matrix and what is meant by skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means if you have done the transpose of a matrix and if you have got the same matrix also, that means it is called symmetric matrix. Like after the transpose you have got the same matrix, the matrix A. That means the matrix is symmetric. After taking transpose you are getting the same, so symmetric. Symmetric means symmetric the last we have written symmetric of lines and all. Like symmetric objects, like if I say that the copy is symmetric with respect to this line, like if you can fold it from the middle, it will be symmetric. Symmetric means the same parts. So symmetric matrix means also after rotating the matrix, means shifting the row and column, I have to bring the rotation of the matrix. So that the matrix will remain same in that manner. If you do the square to the shape there, and if you rotate a square in that manner, in according to 90 degree, then it will look like symmetric, same figure. So that is why it's called symmetric. And skew symmetric means that is if A transpose equal to negative of A. That means after taking the transpose, if you can see that negative of the matrix is coming, that means A will be called the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, sir? For example, suppose A equal to 1 0 0 1. If you take the transpose of it, then it will be 1 0 0 1 transpose. So if you want to shift the rows to the columns, then you will see that it will remain same, no change. That means the matrix A itself. So A is symmetric in that case. And over here A equal to 0 1 minus 1 0. So if I take the transpose of it, it will become 0 minus 1 then 1 0. Think about that. Just see this matrix and the matrix A itself. These two matrices are different actually, but not exactly different, just a difference of sign only. What I have done that, I have taken negative common from the matrix. From this matrix, I have taken a common negative out of the matrix. That means I have to take common negative from each and every element. So from 0, negative is taken common, 0 will be. From the minus 1, negative is taken common out, so 1. Or 1 take a negative common, it will be minus 1. And 0 will remain 0. So now this matrix will exactly look like the matrix A. That means negative, after taking common negative, I have got the matrix A. So A transpose equal to minus A. That is why A is called skew symmetric matrix. So symmetric or skew symmetric means what? Symmetric means after taking the transpose you are getting the same matrix. Skew symmetric means after taking the transpose you are getting the negative of the matrix. Then it is called skew symmetric. Okay, sir? Let us take an example. A matrix can be arranged as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Like a matrix A can be arranged as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Like a matrix A will be there, I will arrange the matrix according to the sum of two matrices. And the two matrices will be one symmetric and another one skew symmetric. How it will be? That A can be written as half A plus half A, because half A added will be A only. So half A and half A I have written. Then I have introduced with half A dash minus half A dash. A dash means actually A transpose, I can write A dash. So I have introduced with half A dash and minus half A dash. So both will get cancelled, right now normally. That is why I have introduced with that. And then I have taken this half A plus half A dash together by taking common half, that is A plus A dash, and these two I have taken common together by taking common half, that is A minus A dash. So A plus A dash, it will be a matrix P, maybe after calculation it will come a matrix. So I will give a name as A, and A minus A transpose, if you calculate it will be a matrix Q. Like A is a matrix is given, na? So A transpose means Q. A transpose means transpose of the matrix. So after that, when you add A plus A dash, that means the matrix A and the transpose matrix A dash, we can add them. After adding the two matrices, we will get the another one matrix, new matrix. That will be named as P and that will be named as Q. I will prove that this matrix will be symmetric or this will be skew symmetric, any of them. Okay, like any one of them will be symmetric and other one will be skew symmetric. How to prove it? Again, A equal to P plus Q. So that means I have arranged A as a sum of two matrices. So I have to prove that which one is symmetric and which one is skew symmetric. That I will check right now. Let us take the P matrix at first. P matrix is given, so P transpose will be how much? Half into A plus A transpose was the matrix P, so P transpose will be whole transpose, correct? Transpose of half will be normal half, because how can you give the transpose of a single constant number? It will be given as it is. A plus A transpose, whole transpose. A plus A transpose, whole transpose means it will be distributed over there and it will be A to the power T, that means A transpose, and A transpose to the power transpose, that means A transpose and transpose will be only A only. If you take the transpose, then again if you take the transpose, that means transpose means taking a rotation. So we have rotated one time, again you have rotated, so it will be same, na? Like that, a plane is there, I have rotated like that, reciprocal, ulta, again I have rotated, it will remain in the same position. So that is why A transpose, then again transpose means it will be in the same, A matrix only. So half into A transpose plus A, that means we have got the P matrix itself, P matrix was that only, because it is half into A plus A dash, that was taken as P. So I have got the P matrix itself. So I have started with P transpose and I have got the matrix P. That means P is a symmetric matrix. Is it okay? And what about the Q? See, Q transpose equal to, what was the Q matrix? Q matrix was the negative one. Negative means half into A minus A transpose whole to the power P. So half into A minus A transpose whole to the power P means half transpose will be half only, and A minus A transpose whole to the power transpose means the transpose will also be distributed over here. So after the distribution, A to the power T, AT, and A to the power T, then again T, that means this T will be only A. So A to the power T minus A I will get. Clear? Clear? No doubt again. So half into A transpose minus A, then I will take common negative from there. So if I take common negative, it will be minus half into A will become positive and A transpose will be negative. So A minus A dash. So this A minus half into A minus A dash is the Q matrix itself. So that means we have got minus Q. That is why Q is skew symmetric. So A was P plus Q. A was P plus Q and P was this matrix, Q was that matrix. So A equal to sum of one symmetric and one skew symmetric matrix. That is why a matrix A can be arranged as a sum of a symmetric matrix as well as a skew symmetric matrix. A sum will be given. How will you do that? Properties you will write from there. Okay, sir. You can write the sum say schedule, but the sum that I have shown you right now, this is the sum. That type of sums can be given like 2 to 3 marks. A matrix is given. Question is that expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So matrix A is given. What was the formula for symmetric and skew symmetric? A equal to P plus Q. Where P equal to half into A plus A transpose and Q equal to half into A minus A transpose. So I will calculate on that. These things, whatever I have said, is written. So I will calculate the matrix P as well as matrix Q. But before that, I will calculate the A transpose that is required on both. So A transpose is, this matrix is called A transpose, means the transpose of the matrix A, that you can do that by shifting the rows into columns. So after taking the A transpose, then I will find the value of P and the value of Q by calculating these two matrices. Half into A plus A transpose, half into A minus A transpose. You will calculate, after the calculation, you will see that these two will come. A plus A transpose means what? The matrix A and the transpose matrix. This is the transpose matrix and the matrix A was there. So these two will be added and then half is multiplied like this. Okay? And Q into half into A minus A transpose, that can be calculated easily also. After that, as we have proved over there that P was symmetric and Q was skew symmetric matrix, we have proved in general manner, right now. But in that sum, they have said that expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We know that is symmetric, we know that is skew symmetric, but also after finding the value of P and Q, we have to check whether the matrix is symmetric or not, whether the matrix Q is also skew symmetric or not. We have to check on that. Means after finding P and Q, I will find the P transpose and I will check that P is coming or not, and I will find the Q transpose also and I will check that minus Q is coming or not. Right now, and whenever you have got P transpose equal to P, P is symmetric, and Q transpose equal to minus Q, Q is skew symmetric, and that means see, A is expressed as the form of P plus Q, that means a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, and I will keep the matrix in that addition format, and that will be the answer. Because in the question they have not said that add them, because if you add them, the matrix A will come again. Because A means the addition of these two, and they have said that express the matrix A in the form of the as a sum of two matrices. One will be the symmetric, one will be the skew symmetric. So that is why A is expressed as the sum of two matrices, one is symmetric and one is skew symmetric. ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পারলে? সাম সলভ করতে হবে, এটাও সেম টাইপের এটা দেখেন, এটা এই টাইপের শর্ট কোশ্চেন চলে আসে যে this is a skew symmetric, this is a symmetric matrix, find x. Symmetric means what? I will take this matrix as A. Symmetric means A transpose equal to A. So A transpose equal to A, I will take. So A transpose equal to A, that one I will take as an equation to get the value of x. So A transpose equal to A. What is the A transpose? Transpose of this matrix. Transpose of this matrix I have written over here. See, 4x plus 2, 4x plus 2. 2x minus 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3x plus 1. The rows and columns are shifted. Equal to A. A means that matrix only. So when the two matrices are equal right now, if two matrices are equal, what are the properties? Corresponding element will be equal. So you will make them equal, the corresponding elements, and you will get the value of x. As simple as that. Clear? A plus A transpose টা বের করে দিই, বের করে এক্সট্রা দেখ, এই 4 7 7 10 আসছে। এবার বলেছে A plus A transpose কে skew symmetric দেখা, সরি symmetric দেখাবে, তার মানে এটা x ম্যাট্রিক্স, তাহলে এটা ট্রান্সপোজ নিয়ে দেখ x টাই আসছে কিনা, আমি তো এই ম্যাট্রিক্সটাকে x ধরে নিয়েছি, তাহলে ওটা ট্রান্সপোজ নিলে পরে ওই ম্যাট্রিক্সটাই চলে আসা উচিত। তাহলে
4 7 7
x ট্রান্সপোজ নিয়েছি, ওর এটা মানে x মানে x এর ট্রান্সপোজ না, তাহলে একটু 2 মিনিট বস, ওদের তো জলে বেরোই করে এটা করতে পারিস না, তাহলে লাস্ট লাইনটা লিখে দেওয়া উচিত, x টা তো বলেনি আমাকে, x মানে এটা ছিল, দেখেন সব এক্সারসাইজ অঙ্কগুলো করতে হবে লেখা আছে, এই অঙ্কটা দেখেন 11 এর অঙ্কটা, এটা খুব ভালো অঙ্ক,
দেখবো না করব
পড়বি। skew symmetric মানে কি, আমি লিখে দেবো a transpose equal to minus a, b টাকেও বলেছে skew symmetric, তাহলে b ও b transpose equal to minus b সেটা লিখতে পারছি আমি। now you have to show that ab is symmetric, so what you will show that to prove ab is symmetric, কি দেখাবো, যে ab whole transpose যদি নেব আমি, তাহলে ab পেয়ে যাবো আমি, কারেক্ট? এই বল তো দেখি কি বললাম,
AB whole transpose নিতে হবে,
তাহলে কি হবে, skew symmetric কি প্রুফ করতে হবে, তাহলে AB টা সিমেট্রিক সেটা প্রুফ হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে AB ট্রান্সপোজ নিলে আমি AB পেয়ে যাব, এটাই রিকোয়ার্ড টু প্রুভ আছে। সো আই উইল টেক AB হোল ট্রান্সপোজ এন্ড দেন আই উইল প্রুভ। AB হোল ট্রান্সপোজটাকে যদি আমি নিই, এই যে LHS, তাহলে AB হোল ট্রান্সপোজটা কি করে প্রুফ করব আমরা, জানিস? গিভেন কি আছে, AB ইকুয়াল টু BA গিভেন আছে, দেখ AB ইকুয়াল টু BA নেওয়া হলো, ঠিক আছে? আফটার টেকিং দ্যাট, এটাকে নেওয়ার পরে আমি কি নিয়েছি, বোথ সাইডে আমি ট্রান্সপোজ নিয়েছি, AB equal to B এর both side ট্রান্সপোজ নিলে পরে দেখ আমি অলরেডি এখানে AB ট্রান্সপোজ পেয়ে যাব, এটা আর রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে ক্যালকুলেশনস করে দেখতে হবে AB আসবে কিনা, তাহলে আমার এই প্রুফটা চলে আসবে। আবার বলছি, যেটা গিভেন আছে সেটা নেওয়া হলো, সেটা নেওয়ার পরে আমি both side ট্রান্সপোজ নেব, both side ট্রান্সপোজ নেওয়ার পরে এই সাইডটাতে AB হোল ট্রান্সপোজ চলে আসবে, আর এই সাইডটা আসবে কি BA হোল ট্রান্সপোজ, তাহলে AB হোল ট্রান্সপোজ এদিকে আছে, তো রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডটাকে আমি ক্যালকুলেশনস করব এন্ড আমি চেক করব যে এই AB টা আসছে কিনা। সো দ্যাট মিন্স আই উইল টেক দ্য ট্রান্সপোজ অফ AB at first, so AB whole transpose equal to BA whole transpose. So BA whole transpose using the property, if you distribute the transpose over the multiplication, then কি হয় এটা, it will get reversed order. It will get reversed order. That means BA whole transpose will be A transpose B transpose. Yeah. Now what is meant by A transpose?
minus a
What is meant by B transpose? That will be, I will put over here minus A into minus B plus AB. So AB whole transpose equal to what I have got? AB. So AB whole transpose equal to AB means C. AB is a symmetric matrix, and that is the proof. Clear? বোঝা গেল? আমার তো মনে হয় ও বুঝে গেছে, কিন্তু তোরা পারবি না পরীক্ষার সময়। শীত করছে অনেকটা, এসিটা ঠান্ডা হয়ে গেছে।
এতেও মিস করছিলাম, অনেকক্ষণ পরে
কি না আগেও দিয়েছে দেখবে,
ঠান্ডা লাগে, বল শীত করছে না বল?
আর কাপড়ও ঠান্ডা আছে,
শীত করছে,
ঠান্ডা লাগছে না? আমি একটু দাঁড়িয়ে তাও ঠান্ডা লাগছে।
আমি অনেকে হাওড়া গিয়ে গেছি,
একদম এটা তো ভেরিয়েবল সুইং ছিল,
এত বেশি ঠান্ডা লাগে।
আমি কুল। নিজের মতো ধরে তাই জন্য হয়ে গেছে লেখা। লিখেছিস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
কি লিখেছিস? তুই করেছিস? পুরোটা হয়ে গেছে?
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে এই সেম ভাবে 26 টা প্রুফ হবে, 26 বাইতে প্রুফ করে নিবি। এই লাস্টে একটা তো দেখিয়ে দিলাম, আর লাস্টে একটা অঙ্ক আছে, এই অঙ্কটা আমি বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছি, এটা করে
বাজে হবে।
হ্যাঁ, এই অঙ্কটা তো দেখে নে কি করে বলি বল।
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
এই লাস্ট আছে A and B are symmetric matrix. A and B are symmetric matrix of the formula দেখে নেবো জাস্ট ফাইনালি করে নিই
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
prove that A plus B is symmetric হ্যাঁ আর মনে জান বল আর মনে জান স্ট্যান্ড আপ দাঁড়িয়ে বলবি
না না আর
দাঁড়িয়ে তো বলতে হবে
আরে বল ভাবি আরে
কি বলছো
কি বলে?
ভাবি আরে ভাবতে দাও
A and B are symmetric question দেখতে পাচ্ছ প্রথম নাম্বার 1 A plus B is symmetric how will you do that tell me the process
এটা তো a plus b হোল ট্রান্সপোজ করে দিলে a ট্রান্সপোজ প্লাস
whose name is আমারও জানা
ও আগেটা তো যেমন করে দিল a plus b হোল ট্রান্সপোজ ইকুয়ালস টু b plus
কিছু বুঝতে পারলাম না
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আরে a ট্রান্সপোজ ইকুয়ালস টু মাইনাস a b ট্রান্সপোজ ইকুয়ালস টু মাইনাস b নেব
কেন
কেন স্কিউ সিমেট্রিক না তো
সিমেট্রিক বলে শুধু only symmetric দেখতে পাচ্ছ সব দিয়ে
এটা পাওয়ারটা বেড়েছে
এই দ্যাট symmetric
A plus B তে
আর A and B symmetric মানে কি বলো কি A and B symmetric মানে কি
ট্রান্সপোজ নেব হোল ট্রান্সপোজ
আমি যাকে পয়েন্ট করছি
স্যার ওই তো বলছি স্যার
A and B are symmetric matrix মানে কি
A plus B transpose equals to
এই কোন কথা এটা
a transpose is equal to a
আর B transpose equal to
b
এবার তুই বল A plus B
মাইনাসে হতো না স্যার
ওটা তো symmetric
A plus B symmetric প্রুফ করতে বলেছে how will you prove it
A transpose equals to B ও আছে
a plus b whole transpose equals to a transpose
A plus B symmetric প্রুফ করতে গেলে A plus B whole transpose equal to A plus B প্রুফ করতে তো এখানে A plus B whole transpose আমি নিয়েছি A plus B whole transpose মানে কি ট্রান্সপোজটাকে তুমি অ্যাডিশন সাবট্রাকশনের মধ্যে নরমালি ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করতে পারো তো A plus B whole transpose ফর্মুলা ওয়াইজ A transpose plus B transpose লিখতে পারি আমরা আর A transpose equal to A B transpose equal to B এটা গিভেনই আছে কোশ্চেন
a plus b
তো এটা বসিয়ে দাও তাহলে A plus B হয়ে গেল দ্যাটস ওয়াই A plus B is symmetric আর নাম্বার 2 কি বলেছিল AB minus BA is skew symmetric তো how will you prove it's skew symmetric
same
করে দাও তাড়াতাড়ি 20 সেকেন্ডে বলুন 30 সেকেন্ডে
আর কত পেন
রাফলি
Okay.